Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well guys. I am Ashfaq Sen speaking from Punjab, Pakistan, and today I am here doing some stuff. As you know, we talk about technology, we talk about agriculture, and for last couple of days I'm busy doing some technical things about the computer. And I'm thinking to make or record a video on computer. Any kind of video like about language. And we should progress in our same field of languages, and we were talking about C language. And I'm thinking to record some videos uh, that how we're gonna install a compiler for the C language. There are a lot of things happening in this industry. Why not we should update ourselves in some deep technical stuff, although this time it is artificial intelligence which has dominated all over the software and engineering stuff, but still we will go with our old way of learning the language. We are not going to use any artificial intelligence model to train ourselves. We're going to do it manually. We're going to use a compiler for the C language where we will do our stuff. I love this language and it reminds me my school days. That's why I prefer to talk about C language. We will progress in the same, and this is what which is required to make an any kind of artificial or any kind of algorithm. We use some kind of language, so there is definitely a language behind all this progress. The language, I mean the computer language. So I hope you are doing well and fine. I'm gonna keep this mobile here for a while. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna do this. I will keep this mobile here while I do my stuff, sitting in this beautiful silent weather, you know. And, so guys, something we said about testnet or any sort of online earning projects. We talked about Telegram mini apps. We talked about testnet airdrops, and I have provided the links in one of my video. I think all of the projects which I am working upon, and I have discovered many other new projects as well, but they are not working fine. So I thought not to share until it goes right. And no, I think I should make a video about those projects. But I'm saying this again and again that while you are working on these projects, you should not be sure 100% that you're gonna get any I mean uh, sure rewards. You should have a hope at least. If you do 100 projects, definitely out of 100 projects you will get 30% of projects uh, giving you something. So that's why I say if you do 10, maybe there are chances that you or 10 3 out of 10 you will get something. So that's why I'm sharing these stuff. If you are free and you have ample time to spend on computer or your mobile device, you definitely should go with this while you are developing yourself in any sort of
technical things regarding the computer science. I mean, I especially talk about the languages. So I'm obsessed with this idea to talk and develop ourselves in C language. That's what I'm gonna do in next couple of days, and maybe I will share you some videos regarding this language. We'll develop some basic thing about this language, like how we uh, I mean, can compile this language, the program of this language in the PC. So, especially I have this laptop with me today, so I will try to make a video which kind of compiler or program we should use to train ourselves C language. So, I am using VS Code. I think it very easy to use, so that's why I'm going with this Visual Studio Code, which has a lot of functions and features which are really easy to use. So that's why I'll prefer and suggest you to install this compiler, and then we will go forward. We will develop our knowledge. I am also a student. We will go side by side. We will learn a lot of things about this language. So that's what for today. But before that, in this video, I'm going to tell you what kind of projects I'm working upon. So because I have spent a lot of time, I'm going to share my screen with you here. So because I have spent a lot of time here in these Telegram mini apps, so I do not want to leave my hard efforts in vain. So that's why I'm gonna tell you what kind of projects I'm working on. So that's why I'm sharing my screen with you, and I am here on my desktop screen. And just as you can see before me, this is Bombi, one of the Telegram mini app projects which I am also working on. A lot of I mean time have been spent on this app as well, so that's why I'm waiting for some kind of reward from here. So this is by Catizen, I think, and as you know, you remember the Catizen has I mean is some kind of a gaming platform, so they their token was really I mean expensive at the time of its launch. I think it was 1.3 or $4 when it launched. So this is also one of the project of Catizen, so that's why I hope that this will also give us some reward. And I have also projects uh, here in the same Telegram here, which is Pause, and I am working. I'm going to show you where is this is sorry, and Pause. I'm going to show you my progress in Pause, and I think that because this project is launched by Bloom, and Bloom has not yet distributed its reward, but I'm working on this project as well. So this is the Pause, and I think I have 300 above 300k above Pause. So I hope it will also launch near soon. And what is other thing? I think these three Bloom, yes, Bloom is also on the waiting list. So I'm working on Bloom as well. So these 3 to 4 projects, which I think will give us something, if but after such a long time, I don't think this is a valid reason to work on Telegram mini apps because you have to wait for such a long time. So nobody will wait for 6 to 7 months to earn this minor amount of money. I mean, they will provide us, I hope, $15 to $20 if you can say. So I have, I think, 27 sorry 275k Bloom points, and if somebody have an idea how much I'm gonna get from Bloom, please share in comments. And that's it for today, and we are while we finish this video, let's have a look on this occasion. And that's it for today, and I hope you have enjoyed the video and spend your beautiful time with me. And I find it really amazing and recreational to spend and sit in this beautiful scene uh, and nature's company. So, thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.